Hello, I am Patrick Auchibo Jr. I am addressing the three stages of data, which is data at rest, data in use, and data in transit. When it comes to data at rest, it is any data that is currently stored in any type, such as cloud storage, stored on a physical hard drive, databases on flash drives. Data that is rest, data that is at rest is inactive and is not moving actively between networks or devices. The next stage of data is data in use. During this stage, data is actively manipulated by applications and programs as well as in an existing computer RAM, also known as random access memory. Data transmission is when data is moving from one area to another within a network. This occurs on the internet or within a private network such as a VPN. An example of how data flows when it's at rest, in transition, or used is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. When data is when data on a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet is at rest, it is stored on either a USB flash drive or on a computer's hard drive or on an external hard drive. When the data is on when the data on the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet is in transit, it is sent to other devices within the network or the internet. When the data on the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet is in use, the user is allowed to modify it. Data in transit, at rest, and in use can be secured using encryption and multi-factor authentication, such as Face ID or fingerprint scan, as well as passkeys. The strategy changes when data is in use, at rest, or in transit. When one needs to protect data at rest or in transit, an asymmetric encryption can be used. An asymmetric encryption, also known as a public key cryptography, uses two types of keys to encrypt and decrypt data. In order to decrypt data, a public key is used which allows the owner to share data with another person, which shows that the data is in transit, while uses a private key in order to protect the data when it is at rest. Whenever data is in use, it can be protected by user authentication in order to identify the user through usernames, password, Face ID, and fingerprint scanning.